Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basics that matter: battery level and antenna access, because weak power or obstructions can mimic GPS failure. Once charged, remove any case or magnet near the antenna and power. Cycle the unit by holding the power button for 10 seconds. This forces a fresh hardware in it. While it boots, go to Settings About and note the exact model and firmware version. That information guides the next steps and any specific fixes you'll apply. Now you run targeted diagnostics to isolate software versus hardware issues. First, toggle satellite modes, switch between GPS, GPS plus GLONASS, or Galileo to see if lock behavior changes. Different constellations help in urban canyons. Next, update firmware using Garmin Express or by loading an official file onto an SD card, and make sure the file checksum matches. Corrupted firmware breaks fixes. Finally, backup routes and waypoints, then perform a user settings reset so stray configurations aren't. To finish, perform a cold start by clearing almanac and ephemeris data so the receiver downloads fresh satellite info. This often cures persistent drift. Make sure you test outdoors with a clear view of the sky, and note the time to first fix. Long TTFF points to weak reception or hardware faults. If problems persist despite updates, resets, and external antenna checks, contact Garmin support or pursue an RMA, because continuing
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.